Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for the 20th of May 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks in news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. First and foremost, we will take a look at Nifty. Nifty opened in the red today before staging a recovery of almost 300 points to end the day in the green, albeit mildly. The NSE index closed higher by 41 points or 0.17% at 23,659. The recovery seen today can be attributed to value buying at lower levels, strong Q4 numbers, especially from OMCs, and possibilities of easing geopolitical tensions. The gains today were led by positive momentum seen in the oil and gas sector, while media dragged due to weak Q4 numbers reported by Z Entertainment. The volatility index took another dip after today's rally. Supports for Nifty may be readjusted to 23,580, followed by 23,425, while resistances will be placed at 23,690, followed by 23,800. For tomorrow, consolidation within a range may be expected to continue with a slight positive bias if momentum is carried over from today. However, a correction due to profit booking cannot be ruled out and seems more likely given that a stiff resistance was faced towards the end of the trading session. External cues such as gains seen in the global markets and movement of bond yields as well. Crude oil prices may provide further clarity. Positive momentum for the index may be expected to intensify if 24,000 is breached on the upside, while a break below 23,260 may lead to lower levels. Now let us check how Sensex traded today. Sensex recouped the mild losses seen yesterday as it closed higher by 0.16% or 118 points to close at 75,318. Levels may be kept the same for Sensex as the range has not been broken after the recovery from lows seen at open, with supports being at 75,185 followed by 74,435. While resistances will be at 75,870, followed by 76,355. A break above 76,355 on the upside may lead to higher levels, while a break below 73,575 may lead the BSE index lower. Next, let us check what transpired for crude oil. The negative momentum seen in crude oil prices has continued with the commodity correcting to lower levels. Serious discussions between US and Iran seem to be the major reason behind the dip in prices. Volatility remains elevated for the energy counter. Levels may now be readjusted downwards once again, with supports being at 9,745, followed by 9,585, while resistances will be at 9,900, followed by 10,100. For now, a negative momentum seems to be prevailing for crude oil as hopes of easing tensions in the Middle East sends prices lower. The commodity is still massively dependent on updates from the West Asia conflict, as any escalations will cause an immediate reversal in price action being witnessed currently. Crude oil will maintain bullishness above 8,880, while bearish momentum will dominate only if 8,440 is broken on the downside. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in the news today. Adani Green Energy is set to develop a massive 2,250 megawatt pumped storage project in Andhra Pradesh after receiving approval from the state government. The project, located in the YSR Kadapa district, is expected to strengthen renewable energy infrastructure and support long-term clean energy goals. Tata Communications shares gained around 7.5% after the company announced the appointment of Ganapathy S. Lakshminarayanan as its new managing director and CEO for a 5-year term. Investors reacted positively to the leadership transition and the company's future growth outlook. Samvardhana Motherson reported a strong Q4 performance, with net profit surging nearly 46% year-on-year to over 1,560 crore rupees, while revenue rose 17% to record levels. The company also announced a final dividend, further boosting investor confidence in the auto components major. Before we sign off, we would like to let you know that free webinars will be conducted this weekend. On Saturday at 12 p.m., Mr. Rajesh Singh will be conducting a webinar on the topic, How to Use Rhythmus Day Trading Indicator for Options Buying. And on Sunday at 2:30 p.m., Mr. Chetan Gupta will conduct a webinar on the topic Advanced Strategy Using CPR plus VWAP plus EMA in Options Trading. Do check the description for the webinar links. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.